Hello, welcome to tutorial for you channel. In this video we will write a program to print sum of digits. For example, if a user input 123 as a number in our program, what our program will do, it will add it up. It will plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 and gives us the total 6. If a user input 56, it will plus 5 with 6 and gives us the output 11. Basically, it will add whatever digit user have input and gives us the sum of that digit. Let's see this program in action. First, it will ask a number, enter a number. We will enter 1, 2, 3 and we will click enter. As you can see, sum is 6. If we add 1, 2, 3, we will get 6. To make this program, first we will get the number from the user. Then we will take out the remainder of that number and keep adding that remainder in a sum variable. Then we will divide the number by 10. We will look that in a second how that will help us to make this program, and then we will use a while loop and it will keep on running until the number become 0. So to make this program we will need 3 variables of integer and 1 while loop. So first we will make 3 variables of integer. The first is number, the second is remainder, and the third is sum, which initial value is 0. Then we will print this on the screen, enter a number. As you can see, it is saying enter a number. Then we will take that number which user has entered and store and convert it in integer and then store it in the number variable here. Then we will use a while loop and give it a condition that the number, if it is greater than 0, this while loop will keep on running. If the number is equal to 0 or less than 0, this while loop will stop running and we will go to our next step. Second, we have the remainder variable, and in that we are using number and using the percentage sign by 10. Basically, this line of code will return us the last digit of the number which user have entered. For example, if a user has entered the number 123, by using this formula we will get 3 in this remainder variable. So basically what we are doing here is we are dividing the number which is 123 by 10. If we divide 123 by 10, so 10 multiplied by 12 gives us 120, and you can see we get the remainder 3 here. So our remainder will become 3. Then we are adding that remainder in the sum variable. So you can see the initial value of sum is 0. If we add remainder which is 3 in it, the sum will become 3. Then we are just dividing the number by 10. This line of code will remove the 3 from the original number. So our number was 123 which user has entered, and by using this line of code we remove the 3 number from it. Basically it is dividing the number which is 123 by 10. If we divide 123 by 10, we will get 12.3, and since this is an integer it will just take 12, not point. And you can see here the quotient is also 12. Quotient is basically in division, the 10 here is called divisor, the 123 is the dividend, and 12 here is called quotient, and 3 which we have got here is the remainder. So every time we divide the number by 10, we will get the remainder as well as the quotient. So our number will become 12, and then this loop will run again. So then we will check 12 is greater than 0, which is true, so it will come in this loop. And now we will divide 12 by 10. So 10 multiplied by 1 gives us 10, so our remainder will be 2. So as you can see, first it took 3 from the number, then it took 2 from the number, so our remainder is 2. So our sum was last time 3, now we will, our remainder is 2, so we plus 3 by 2, we get 5. So now our sum has become 5, and then we are using the same line of code to remove the 2 from the number. So as you can see, the quotient is also 1, and if we divide 12 by 10, we will get 1.2. So our number will become 1. Then this loop will run again, and this condition is true, 1 is greater than 0, and then we will divide 1 by 10. So it is not possible, so 10 multiplied by 0 gives us 0, and our remainder will be 1. So now our remainder is 1, and our sum value was 5. So 5 plus 1 gives us 6. So as you can see, we got the sum of 1, 2, 3, which is 6. Now we just remove the 1 from the number, original number, and if we divide 1 by 10, we will get 0.1. So now our number will become 0, and this loop will run again. It will check number is, which is 0, is greater than 0, this condition is false. Then it will just print the sum of the number, which is 6. Let's look this program in action one more time. Enter a number. Now I will add 56, which will give us 11. So you can see sum is equal to 11. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos. Have a nice day.